Alright, so let's go over a few basic terms for genetics. Your answers might not be identical to mine, but they will be close enough. What is a genotype? Genotype are in class we call the letters, the genes that you get from your parents. For example, it might be big G, little g. What is a phenotype? It is a trait, or if you think about it, it's just what something looks like. So it might be blue eyes. Give an example of a genotype for purebred dominant. Well, purebred is another word for saying homozygous. So let's say we were using the letter D. Two big D's would be purebred dominant. An example for a hybrid, if we were stuck with the D's, you would have a big D, little d, because hybrid is like heterozygous. They've got one of each. They're a cross of two different things. Give an example genotype for homozygous recessive. Sticking with the same letters, we can just go little d, little d. Give an example of a genotype for heterozygous. Big D, little d. Okay. Notice the purebred and homozygous are similar, and the heterozygous and hybrid are similar. Physical characteristics are called traits. Use that word up there in answer number 2. Different forms of a gene are called alleles. Here we have two simple Punnett square problems, what they call monohybrid crosses, or one gene at a time. We have a round seed, dominant or wrinkled, so the big R for round, little r for wrinkled. Cross a homozygous, or big R, little r seed with another homozygous, so we can Punnett square this out really quick. Fill in down and across where the two meet, and it says, what is the probability that the seeds will be wrinkled? Well, the only wrinkled seed is if we get homozygous recessive right here. 1 out of 4, my math teacher taught me, was 25%. In the second problem down here, in pea plants, tall is dominant to short. Cross a heterozygous plant, okay, with a purebred tall plant. So here's our heterozygous plant, one of each, and our purebred tall. Okay, homozygous dominant. Crisscross applesauce. Fill across. Fill down. And what is the probability the offspring will be, the plant will be tall? Well, that one's tall, that one's tall, that one's tall because of the one big T. That one's tall. Even though the genotypes are different, the phenotypes are all the same. They're all 100% going to be tall. And that is number 63.